Hi all, good evening. So today I'm going to show this video for an awareness how the sellers are cheating for the PlayStation 5. So I was searching the PS5 for Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and I got the results down like this. So I saw a seller which is like Adayar in Chennai. I was searching for all sellers. In fact, I was selecting this seller. He has given us 51,500 and his name is Gaurav Agarwal. So I started chatting with him. I got a message from him stating that uh, I asked him for the price and any warranty for the product. He asked me to uh, call or WhatsApp with the number. Can note down the number 94333256 Gaurav Agarwal. So I started chatting with them. So I have to go to my chatting page. So I got the messages here. I'll go from the first what is the chatting so that you can have a clear visible on that and you can see the number here. I started with hi. Thank you for the message. I got a automated response and here I got a response from the seller. Gotcha, WhatsApp number, blah 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 for PS5. He posted immediately this message. I am very much sure this picture does not belong to the warranty product. So I asked him a question, and also he mentioned the rate 50,400, where I got a doubt because in OLX page he mentioned 51,500. Here he automatically reduced 900 rupees. I asked him, do you have Indian warranty? It's Indian version. Send a picture of seal and map label. I asked him. He said after confirmation, he said he will send it. I told him the picture should be looking like this. This is the MRP label because I also sold a few products in OLX. This is the warranty and this is the seal of the product. So I asked him, this kind of picture do you have? He immediately sent uh, like this, where you are at Avadi. I asked him. He said we are from Hyderabad. But in the initial picture, you would have shown the location he has given, the Chennai place Adayar, which is the hot place in Chennai. And he said all over India delivery available and pickup also available. It said. I immediately asked him a question: which part of Hyderabad? Address, please. I will try for pickup. 1 minute. I got a message from my office. Okay, so again I posted I want this kind of picture from you. Again he immediately sent a picture from the OLX which he already posted. All of a sudden he sent a GST certificate. I have not requested him. I am downloading this. So this is where he cheated me. He even doesn't know how to cheat. This is the GST certificate. So if you go down of the certificate, there will be a photo on the third page. So that photo he has removed, and here I'll zoom a little so where you can find how he cheated. You see, this is the address where he has registered his business centers. All are from Hyderabad. I got out because this address belongs to Amazon Warehouse Corporations. Because I am a seller from Amazon, I know this address belongs to a Chennai, and he edited this PDF for Hyderabad. I'll show you the proof. So this is my appointment letter for Amazon where used to load stocks. You see, this is the Chennai warehouse address we used to give. This complete part, Central Warehousing Corporation, Virgambakam, 1 Arcot Road, Ayapuram. This belongs to Chennai. This idiot, what he has done, let's see here. He has given all the Chennai address, like Kekanagar is near the backside of the warehouse part. He has changed everything and left. He has given the Hyderabad, Telangana 500061. And when I asked him a question, are you a seller from Amazon? He immediately responded, no. I'll go to the page. Here I asked him a question. Oh, you are a seller in Amazon. He immediately responded, no, I have a shop. Then he started me answering he was not able to answer my question I asked. So I asked him, okay, send me your address at Hyderabad, please. He said, yes. Then why photo is missing from the third page of the GST? Dear GST, I responded, I sent him a screenshot how he has cheated. When I called him, he started shouting at me. Then he also started using the bad words. So please dear, so while purchasing PS5 and OLX, please be very careful. So the people using the demand cheating the buyers, but not all of them. There are few sellers like us selling it very promptly. So please be aware of this kind of fake sellers. Do not even accept COD. Even I had a guy who was chatting with me from Pollachi. He also got a same message because one of them from Kolkata and one of the guy from Kerala forwarded a GST number. So I was not able to search his WhatsApp. I have to search here. If I have the search, I will post it in the next video. If you have any doubt, if you want to contact me directly, you can call me at 917 6622 542 for this live proof. So to prove I am an Amazon seller, I will open my selling partner page. Usually I should not show that, but anyway, for a quick reference, I show it. This is my Amazon Seller Central page. This is my inventory page. So hope now you all believe me, I am a seller from Amazon. So please be careful while purchasing the products and from OLX. Please do not hand over the cash by money transfer. If you have all the proof like us from Amazon sellers, then you can transfer the money with no issues. But there are few fake sellers who will ask to transfer the money. I am very much sure PS5 are not sold at the market for 50,000. It is more than 70k or 65k by each sellers. Thank you. Bye.